What's up, guys? Welcome to a new segment we're going to be doing on this channel called Eagle Tech Talk. So in this segment, we're going to be doing unboxing videos, product reviews, whether it's gear related towards creating content on this channel, helpful things, reviews on luggage, all is going to fall under this Eagle Tech Talk segment. So today's first episode, let's go ahead and see what we got from Amazon. Alright guys, so for the first episode of Eagle Tech Talk, let's see what we got today. Good old Amazon Prime. Alright guys, and make sure you click the links below. They're my Amazon affiliate links. Help me out, helps support the channel. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright guys, here's what we got today. We got the Shoulderpod S2 Professional Mobile Handheld Grip. So, as you see from the picture, it's a nice mobile phone grip to help minimize shake when you're filming with your smartphone. Because no matter how steady you are, there's always going to be some kind of shake. So, it'll help improve the cinematic quality of video shot on your mobile phone. In case I don't want to use the Osmo Mobile 2, gimbal, something like this, a lot easier to carry around. And, I first saw this on Moment's site. Do have some Moment gear coming. So keep an eye out for, make sure you click that bell for alerts so you know when those future videos drop. And yeah, here it is guys, Shoulderpod S2. I also do plan, this system is modular. You can upgrade it, buy attachments to add other stuff. So it holds more than just your camera. It's got a wrist strap, this custom nice quality wood handle, and then this top part, the part that actually mounts the phone, fits all size mobile phones. We're going to test it out, see if it fits my phone even with the Spigen case being on there, which a lot of phone holders do not. And yeah, we'll go ahead and test it out. Also, too, the first part, if you don't want to use a handle, the first part also is has a regular tripod thread, so you can mount it on a tripod, which I have the Dolica Proline tripod that I use in all my videos, as well as some JOBY tripods. Again, links down below. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's some good quality right there. Alright, well, there you go. So look, you got the grip. It's made of wood. Yeah, that's some really high quality right there. You got a leather strap. So yeah, I look forward to using this. Alright guys, see you in a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna look forward to trying this out, and you'll see quite a bit more usage out of this. Now, anything I ever talk about in any of these videos or gear that I use for my channel, I do have Amazon affiliate links linked in the description on all my videos. So if you ever click those, if you're ever going to purchase anything off Amazon, click those links. It helps me out. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra. I get a small commission off of that, and that's going to help me expand my gear and grow this channel. So yeah, appreciate anyone who does that. Also guys, make sure that you click the bell for alerts, so when I upload new videos, whether gear videos, location specific videos, restaurant videos, that way you know when the alerts come through for new videos. Also make sure that you're subscribed to and following along on all my social media channels. And I appreciate that. Share my channel with other people. Hope everybody has a great day. Remember, have fun at work.